Here's where you could go to either reset the advertising ID or delete it. This is for Samsung phones with Android 15. And in order to get access to these here, you must be signed into both your Google account as well as your Samsung account. So there's two places in which you can look for these settings just in case you don't find it in one of the areas. Go ahead and use the quick access as always and go into the main settings by tapping here. Once you reach here, the first place you can check is within the security and privacy section, this right here. Once you go here, you will see all this show up and you want to go down past all of this until you see more privacy settings. And once you're here now, you'll see all of this here with all these options and you'll go down until you see the ads section. This is going to take you to where you want to be. Okay, now if you don't see it like this here, you can also check here. Once again, use the quick access, go to settings, then this time you're gonna go all the way down past all of this, and you're going to Google, this part right here. Once you enter here, you'll see these options. Your email will be up here. I just put it up so you won't see my email, and you'll go to where it says all services over here. So go ahead and tap on that. And within this section, just go down and keep going down until you see ads right there. So this is going to be the same set of options you'll see here. And from here now, you will see either to reset it, which is going to refresh everything you might have been searching in the past, talking to your friends about, because they do track all that stuff. I'll do another video on how to stop the tracking. You got reset it if you want something to just refresh, or if you want to just delete it. Now, deleting it doesn't stop it 100%, but it's gonna drastically reduce all the suggestions of ads or anything that you might have been searching on recently. And let's just say you go back on YouTube or any other site, you're gonna see those same places you've been searching on or items you've been looking at. And if you don't want them to keep doing that, try to keep an eye on this here. And of course, you can always come back and get a new one, but it doesn't stop them from tracking you. It's just gonna be reduced to a drastic level. Like and sub.